Hello, learn how to change username on Instagram. Instagram username change is so simple. Also, you will learn how to change the profile name on Instagram. First of all, click the profile icon on the bottom right and then these three dots at the top right, and then account center. When you will click account center, it will take you to the profiles. Click on profiles and then select the right profile, and then you choose username, change your username. My username was already right. I selected the right username when I made this account, so I just need to change the name. If you want to see that video, you can click on the description. I just want the same name as my username, so I am changing this name section so that I will get AI Thrive space as my name and as my username. If you want to change your username, you can click on username. You can put your profile picture from this area, and then even you can select your AI avatar from this area.